What did April bring to the East Bay? Allergies and inventory. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's go to the 880 corridor. The number of homes on the market during April increased almost 50% compared to March. Sales activity was about the same compared to last April. That fast pace of sales that started in March continued in April, with homes on the market an average of 16 days. Here are your median sales prices for April 2018 for the 880 corridor. Big increase in Berkeley, up more than 20% from last April. Newark was up 25%, San Lorenzo and Union City up more than 20% as well. Next up is West Contra Costa County. More than 20% increase in inventory compared to March, but looking back to last April, about the same number of homes on the market. Sales were up compared to last April, with 138 units sold compared to 110 last April. Here's the median sales prices during April 2018 for West Contra Costa County. Prices were up everywhere. El Cerrito jumped 37%, which put the median at $1.16 million. A big 50% increase in Richmond to $600,000. Moving over to Central Contra Costa County. Compared to last April, inventory was virtually unchanged, but a 21% increase in homes on the market from March should mean strong sales next month. But for April, the 207 homes sold were basically the same as last year. Not the same were days on market. Homes were on the market longer, 22 days compared to 18 days last April. Here's the median sales prices during April 2018 for Central Contra Costa County. A 37% increase pushed sales prices in Pleasant Hill into the $1 million range, and Walnut Creek is now in the $1.2 million range. Into Lamorinda. Year to year, inventory in all three of the Lamorinda communities dropped. This showed up in an almost 50% drop in sales in Lafayette and basically flat sales in Moraga and Orinda. But the market did move quicker. Days on market dropped from 27 to 16 days. Here's the median sales prices during April 2018 for Lamorinda. Moraga was up 18% to $1.5 million. Orinda actually dropped 7% to $1.58 million. Okay, let's check the Tri-Valley. A 20% year-to-year drop in inventory didn't impact sales activity. In fact, for the region, sales were up 9%, and they were fast. Average days on market were the lowest in the East Bay at just 13 days. Here's the median sales prices during April 2018 for the Tri-Valley. The largest increases were in Pleasanton, up 11% to $1.3 million. San Ramon was up 12% to $1.2 million. The Delta, then we're done. For the region, inventory was down 9% or 37 units compared to last April. But more homes in the market during March 2018 drove sales activity up by 12% or 33 units. Days on market actually increased from 22 days last April to 27 days this April. Here's the median sales prices during April 2018 for the Delta. Prices up everywhere. Pittsburgh had the largest increase, up 17% to $515. That's it for the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll see you next month.